ko sa'yo, ikaw ba generally, maswerte ka bang tao?
Naniniwala ako maswerte ako dahil parang feeling ko nung mga, kahit bata pa ako, pag meron ako minanifest, nakukuha ko eh.
Wait, I am very, very sorry. You mentioned the word manifest.
Yes.
I'm not too comfortable speaking in English, but I do have someone who's very comfortable. Long?
Yes!
When someone says the word manifest,
Manifest is the root of the pest.
is the root of the fest.
Among the money. Because pest is my favorite control.
Tama ba? Tama?
Tama!
Tama.
Baka ba? Naniwala na ako.
I Want and Kapamilya Online Live, together forever tayo.